STEPN cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. We here explicitly will give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for STEPN, which is genuinely huge. The STEPN sort of has in short order generally acquired especially extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like is STEPN a wise speculation? By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, is GMT worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? What will fundamentally be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How high could STEPN at any point go, or so they thought? Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the STEPN expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to key in every practical sense, past cost graphs. STEPN most certainly passed value examination in an unpretentious manner. As per practically the most recent market information, today the cost of STEPN is 62 cents and GMT sort of is right now for the most part position number 100 in the whole crypto market. The core supply of GMT is 600 million with a market cap of $369,248,871 in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 4.63% in the very most recent 24 hours incredibly. From most recent 7 days the STEPN was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 42.29%. GMT has shown areas of strength for extremely potential, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and fundamentally contribute. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the for the most part current cost worth and kind of beyond 30 days cost history, it is seen that STEPN by and large has expanded 18.80% in its cost esteem. The very normal exceptionally least cost for the 1 month is 43 cents, while certainly greatest normal cost was 47 cents. This suggests that this coin in every practical sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for truly long haul and in every practical sense, significant way. The 90 days cost change is around 51.30%, and the cost flowed from an essentially least typical worth of 28 cents to most extreme pretty normal worth of 31 cents in the beyond 90 day. In most recent 4 months, STEPN has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we really believe that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, as per the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of STEPN truly is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin is up by 34.21% with the especially greatest typical cost of the coin for the most part was around 42 cents and the base sort of typical cost of by and large was around 40 cents and beyond 4 months. STEPN value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030 we anticipate future GMT cost expectation. STEPN conjectures by applying profound sort of fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of STEPN in a truly significant manner. We most certainly give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the GMT coin which incorporate in every practical sense different elements like in every way that really matters, past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you certainly are looking to especially put resources into digital money market, for the most part make a point to peruse our expectations in an unpretentious manner. STEPN value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023 the cost of STEPN is supposed to really reach at any rate value level of 58 cents. The GMT cost can explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of 66 cents with the especially normal exchanging cost of 65 cents. STEPN value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of STEPN is anticipated to really reach at least worth of 90 cents in an especially enormous manner. The GMT cost can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest degree of $1.08 with the kind of typical exchanging cost of 93 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. STEPN value gauge 2025 to 2026 the cost of STEPN is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.30 in 2025 amazingly. The STEPN cost can by and large arrive at a greatest degree of $1.58 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $1.35 all through 2025. The cost of STEPN basically is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach at any rate level of $1.91 in 2026. The STEPN cost can arrive at in every practical sense greatest degree of $2.29 with the typical cost of $1.98 all through 2026 amazingly. GMT value expectation for 2027 STEPN cost in a real sense is gauged to arrive at a least degree of $2.77 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $3.29 with the typical gauge cost of $2.85 in an unobtrusive manner. GMT value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of GMT. In 2028, the cost of STEPN in a real sense is determined to be at around a base worth of $4.19. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a really limit of $4.79 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.31 in USD. STEPN value expectation for 2029. The cost of one STEPN especially is supposed to generally reach at least degree of $6.09 in 2029 in an unobtrusive manner. The GMT cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 7.39 with the typical cost of $6.26 all through 2029 incredibly. STEPN value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture and in every practical sense, profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of STEPN generally is supposed to generally reach at a very least value worth of $8.61. The GMT cost can basically arrive at a most extreme value worth of $10.56 with the in every practical sense, normal worth of $8.92. STEPN value expectation for 2031. The cost of STEPN explicitly is supposed to reach at the very least worth of $12.02 in 2031, or so they in every practical sense thought. The STEPN cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $14.88 with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $12.46 all through 2031 incredibly. STEPN value expectation for 2032. STEPN cost is estimate to fundamentally arrive at the most minimal conceivable degree of $18.02 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme conceivable degree of $21.23 with the typical estimate cost of $18.64 in a very huge manner. What in a real sense is the STEPN cost today? Today, the cost of STEPN in every way that really matters is 0.62 with the market cap of $369,248,871.000 in an unpretentious manner. What will be the GMT kind of the greatest anticipated cost for 2023, which generally is very critical? The sort of the greatest estimated cost for GMT explicitly is supposed to arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 66 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a huge manner. What will be the STEPN most elevated in every practical sense anticipated cost for 2024? The most noteworthy determined cost for GMT is supposed to arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 66 cents toward the finish of 2024 in an exceptionally huge manner. How extremely high can STEPN go? The by and large normal cost of GMT could reach to 65 cents before the current year's over, assuming